Bago?
Ha?
Bago mga.
Buha ka. Kumpara mo sa medyo mapahit lang. Masarap.
Just so we try it. Gusto kasi ni Jake.
May clumps, no?
Hindi mayas nakawit.
Anong pinang-wish mo?
First look pa lang, meron parang, ano, hindi siya fully, like, no bit. Pagka matcha looks good, pagka green. Hindi mo gusto. Tamis eh. Hindi lang. Sabi ko no sugar.
What?
Hindi natin nasabihan. Tamis. Is disappointed. Don't like it. Sorry.
Mas mainit naman ang to. I mean, we're trying. Daming tao bigla. Anong meron?
Ayaw niya. Mas gusto ko. Room tour. So this is a deluxe room. You can see here a safety deposit box, a little cabinet, and then coffee station. Meron pong mini fridge, and a very big mirror for your fit check. And then we have 2 rooms, one's double and queen. And then we also have a balcony though, pero walang view, for muni-muni lang. And then, let's go to, may TV din pala. Let's go to the CR. CR nila, they have a toilet, may bidet, merong hair dryer, and then amenities, and they have a little bathtub here, towels, shower, and that's it. Crown Regency Deluxe Room.
Bravo. Bilis nito.
Wow, bilis na.
Para sa maternity cloud section.
Correct. Yung clothes section, B1. Medyo maarte ka tayo dito, pero sa sarili nating bahay, di ba 30 clothes, 30 clothes. What's the password? Saan? Flashlight.
Alam. Specialty coffee.
Hi guys! Fast forward, nandito na kami sa Station 3 and we booked a room here kasi early yung flight namin tomorrow by around 5 a.m. maybe yung pick up namin. Here's the beach! It's our 3rd day here in Boracay and still no sun. So I guess meron pa rin tropical depression na tail. Actually, maulan nga ngayon eh. Say hi, baby. Look at the clouds sa likod ni Jake. That's bad news. Kasi malapit na ang sunset. Look, cute ang may flash. We're now looking for a place to eat. Aray, ang sakit naman maglakad dito. Hindi, masakit yung sand.
Ay, matulis. Alam mo na.
Yeah. Station 3 also have the Sunnyside Cafe. Si Jake, gusto niya naman dyan kumain. Eat here kasi naka-yellow ako and another yellow. But no, we already ate there, man. Hanap tayo ng iba pang food. Walk around Station 3. Even if it's raining. Yellow again. Something yellow ba tayo ngayon? Thursday. Roy G. Something green. Daming green. This one's Astoria Current. Ano? Kenny Rogers. We were supposed to book here, but sabi ko no. Kasi medyo expensive. 4K. Tapos ilang hours lang kami. Crazy. Hindi. Kenny Rogers, shira.
Alam ko masarap siya.
Dito, masarap daw dito. This looks aesthetic. Let's eat here.
Ang tawag niya?
Dito lang. Cafe Maruha. Let's look at their food. So, I saw a video sa TikTok na sabi nila, Station 3 feels like a very local Boracay. And yes, I can see. Kasi sa Station 1, yung cuisine doon, puro talaga mga Mexican, Japanese, Korean. But here, very pang Pinoy. Very pang Pinoy. And ducks. Let's eat here. So funny ng pangalan ng kanilang restaurant. It's Paris Hilton.
Ah, pala. Tao yan.
Yeah, this is the famous La Carmela de Boracay. Nasabi nila merong mumu. And hindi, gusto ka aircon eh. And dito kami nahulog sa Kenny Rogers. Crazy. Crazy.
Bakit may sauce ang salad?
Salad, babu. Sige. Babu, salad. You ano the salad?
Ha?
Guys, would you believe taga-salad na ako? Guys, I'm eating salad na.
Tayo ng sagbot.
Yung sagbot.
Grass.
Lagyan mo na. Bakit ba naka-fork?
Bago mas okay nung walang lasa. Alam mo daan. Kaysa makait. Yung lettuce. Hindi akong pinipla yan ah.
Daming rice.
Hi. God give it tell him.
It's our last day here in Boracay. And hindi po talaga kami biniyayaan ng magandang sunset. First day, kakaano lang ng bagyo. The second day, wala pa rin. Ay, may sunset but it's not the beautiful Boracay sunset. And then today, umuulan pa rin. Pero maganda naman kasi yung weather morning.
Yung tanghali.
Hanggang tanghali. Tapos biglang, poof, paladanggo. So, nandito kami. Sa labas ng aming hotel. Nag-borrow kami ng payong. Kasi yung mga camera namin, hindi water resistant.
Uy, yung sa'yo lang.
Ay, okay yung camera ko daw.
Joke na joke.
So, we're just enjoying this beautiful and
Sunset.
peaceful sunset. It's still beautiful, ha? but it's not
In
as
its own way.
beautiful yung nasa TikTok na pink, purple, orange. So beautiful. See? We are in station 3. Eto na siya, guys. May clouds pa rin, but it's setting down.
Alam mo sa araw. Alam mo. Saan?
This is a sunlight glow. Sunset glow. You cannot set up anything. Gusto ko sana mag-set up dun while we watching the sunset. We're now heading for dinner. Nag-rest lang kami saglit after naligo kami sa beach. No video, guys, kasi walang magbabantay ng gamit namin. And we're just going to walk to the restaurant. Bakit? Kasi mas malapit siya lakarin kesa mag-ride ng tricycle. It's already 8:19. May ulan? Sana hindi.
Okay.
I can't count na how many ang alok or offer sa inyo ng mga activities and everything. Siguro Boracay has the most friendly. Like, grabe yung sales, Kung magaling ka pursue, or mag-atik-atik. Magaling ka mag-sales talk, best ka dito. Yung may mga with pleasing personality, ganun.
Okay na ng sky or dahil gabi?
Gabi.
Kung walang clouds. Oo, ano? Yung kanina lang ito sa TikTok.
Chicken and fries?
Oo.
Fried chicken yan. Bago din kami ko.
Sige, sabihin mo. Ito. Winner fried chicken. Ito yung kababo?
Wala!
Bakit?
Okay na po.
A moment of silence, guys. Bakit? Pakita ko sa inyo. No storage. Nakalimutan ko ibalik ni Jake yung memory card ng camera. Ang layo-layo ko ng hotel.
Ikaw muna, bida. Siya muna, bida.
Wow! Yay! Finally! Baby food! power bank. Lumipat kami because masyadong mababa yung share. Tadakimasu! Open it kasi. Ayaw ni Baboy ng wings eh. Sa akin ang wings.
Ito para bang walang manok sa iba.
Last night in Boracay. So, naglakad ako from Station 3. Hindi lang ako. Naglakad kami. Naglakad kami from Station 3. And now, ano kami sa Station 1? 2. Where kami sa first 2 nights namin. Here.
Gusto ko mag-Starbucks.
Carbs eh. Hapon na. Hindi na kayo ng tiyan ko.
After no, kung may fire box.